love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always...
Toyota offered the compact cruiser EV as a downsized electrical version of the retro-flavored FJ Cruiser as part of its galore of battery-powered ideas that should have made it the coolest OEM on the EV block in simply one swift strike. Naturally, we are still awaiting them to emerge. Moving on, the FJ Cruiser, which has been lacking from the American cars and truck market considering that 2014 yet only ended manufacturing in December last year in Japan, has actually been left without an appropriate successor. Sure, lots of could claim the old-school 4Runner appropriately carries the torch onward, specifically after it was lovingly updated for the 2024 version year. Then, right along with the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, referred to as Land Cruiser Prado or 250 in particular markets, introduction, there was likewise a little trademark application for a land receptacle model, which instantly sustained conjecture from the report mill that the Japanese automaker is considering developing a genuine family member's empire with the J250 and J300 series Land Cruisers. In addition, the car manufacturer additionally revealed a rugged SUV silhouette throughout the 2024 Land Cruiser discussion together with an electric SUV byproduct. Because of this, it is no wonder that the creative realm of electronic cars and truck web content creators has exceeded and beyond the call of CGI task attempting to visualize the possible looks of the child Land Cruiser or Landhopper. Probably aided by AI-style software tools, take some liberties. There's a second variation with the account featuring a louvered third home window, and the third option features a rear end with a full-width LED light strip working as taillights. That's a wonderful modification from simply reducing down the 2024 Land Cruiser down to portable degrees, honestly, and it's also needed to help with individuality to make sure there's no cannibalization across the board. As for powertrains, the host discusses numerous options, including gas alternatives from the Corolla Cross, diesel versions from the worldwide Hilux pickup, and the crossbreed powertrain made use of in the very popular RAV4 crossbreed. There's also talk of a potential fully electrical version, though that may not take place ahead of time because the TNGA-F body-on-frame style requires comprehensive modifications to accept battery power.